Hi, my name is Mario Aberg here with Adamson Systems Engineering from Canada, and I want to present you the IS219 high-power subwoofer today. So what we have here is a dual 19-inch subwoofer, front-loaded design, and what you can see is that we actually have the rear side here. So we have dual screen design, so if you do front-back front cardioid configurations, audience will not ask why is that subwoofer rotated, because it looks exactly the same in the rear as in the front. So this is a really high power subwoofer reaching maximum SPL of 143 dB SPL. We have removable handles here, so even if it's an install product, you can still set it up nicely and remove the handles afterwards if it's in place where you want it to be. And it's still pretty lightweight for what it does, so it's only 90 kilograms. If you want to find more information about our brand in general or products in specific, you can go to adamsonsystems.com and find everything that we have right there.